Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile name in the Pi network. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up the Pi app on your mobile device. Then from here, make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, you want to click on the three horizontal bars on the top left hand corner of the page here and scroll all the way down until you see the profile tab. Click onto profile. From here, you'll see your profile name. So to update it, go ahead and click on the update button, and then it'll say, is your name spelled correctly? And if you like to change it, click on the purple edit button. From here, your name in English. So enter your names in Latin alphabet as appearing on your official ID documents. So go ahead and change your name here. I'm going to change it to that. And then from here, just simply go ahead and click on save. And then your usual name will pop up. And then click save again. And then you got to review it. And then click on, from here, click submit. And then as it says here, you may submit a correction to your name only after another 13 days or 14 days. So you can only change your name once every 14 days by the looks of it. So click on submit. And then it will say your name was successfully updated. Click continue to confirm. From here, they might ask you to add your email address, which I've already done. But yeah, that's the end of this video, how to change your name in the Pi network.